Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate ClickUp recurring tasks for ongoing operations step by step clearly. To activate recurring tasks in ClickUp, start by logging into your ClickUp account. Select the workspace where you'd like to create your recurring task. Navigate to the specific task list where you want the task to reside. Click on the New Task button to create a new task. Fill in the task title and any relevant details. Locate the due date section in the task creation window. Click on the Set Due Date option. Choose the desired due date for your task. Next, find the option labeled Repeat. Click on the Repeat option to open the recurrence settings. You will see a variety of recurrence patterns, such as daily, weekly, or monthly. Choose the recurrence pattern that best fits your needs. If necessary, customize additional settings, such as the start date or end date for the recurrence. Adjust any additional settings, like reminders or assigned users, if desired. After you've configured the recurrence, click the Create Task button. Your task is now set as a recurring task in ClickUp. To view your recurring tasks, navigate back to your task list. Ensure that the recurrence settings are correctly displayed in the task details. You can edit or delete the recurring task at any time. When you complete a recurring task, ClickUp will automatically create the next instance based on your settings. Review your task list regularly to ensure all recurring tasks are on track. With these steps, you are now equipped to manage ongoing operations effectively using ClickUp's Recurring Tasks feature. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.